Hello everyone, today's topic is map. The globe and map. Why do we prefer to use maps to globes? A globe is a small model of the earth. It shows most accurate way of looking at the size, shape and location of the places on the earth. However, it has several drawbacks. It is difficult to carry a globe around. It is not possible to see all the parts of the earth's surface at the same time. It cannot show detailed information. To avoid these problems, we normally use maps instead of globes. What is a map? A map is a representation or drawing of the earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface. Maps are much more convenient to use than globes. Maps can be drawn to show the whole world, a single continent, a country, a city, your neighborhood, and even your school. They can be drawn in any size. A wall map of the world can be several times its size and shows many more detail. It can be easily rolled up or folded and carried. A book of map is called an atlas. Types of maps: political maps and physical map. Political map shows boundaries of the countries, states and important cities. Physical map shows natural features of the land such as mountains, rivers and plains. Elements of map: direction, scale, color and symbol are the elements of the map. The first one is directions. There are four main cardinal directions that are north, east, west and south. On map, north is at the top, south at the bottom, west to the left and east to the right. Northeast lies between north and east, northwest between north and west, southeast between south and east, and the last one southwest between south and west. Scale. Map scale refers to the relationship, or we can say ratio, between distance on a map and the corresponding distance on the ground. For example, the actual distance between two cities may be 100 kilometers, but on the map it may be shown as 1 centimeter. Then the scale of a map is 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometers. This is called a linear scale. Colors. There are certain standard colors are used in maps to show features such as oceans, seas, mountains, plains, desert, etc. Colors. Water bodies are shown in blue color, mountains brown, plateaus yellow, plains in green color. Symbols. To make it easier to show features and places on a map, certain standard symbols are used in a map. So, now we'll see what is a symbol. A shape or sign that is used to represent something is called a symbol. Thank you.